I've had this HyperX Cloud 2 headset for about 6 years now, and as you can kind of see here, it's seen better days on the pads. Everything else is fine, so I was looking for a replacement for just the pads. There are a ton on Amazon and on eBay by other manufacturers, and there's varying reviews saying about the quality and whether they were really as good as the original. I reached out to Kingston on Twitter, and actually they've got an online shop with all the replacements, sort of genuine parts, and minimal packaging came, but you can see on here that is a genuine HyperX part. So this will fit the Cloud 2 and the Cloud headsets, and it should be a relatively easy job to get these put on as a replacement for the ones that are really peeling and worn away. There's kind of like a rim here which pulls around the edge of the headset itself. So let's have a look and see what we can do. So under here, we should be able to just pull, and that comes straight off. And then we've got the bit of padding on there, and you can kind of see that those, let's put that down, those are pretty much identical. The new one is on the left, so I'm in trouble focusing because I can't see where. There we go. New one's on the left, old one's on the right. Same thickness, feels the same. Maybe a little bit less spongy on the new one, but that'll change with time. But yeah, let's get that fitted on. So we're sliding it into that gap that runs around the edge there. A little bit fiddly, but not too bad. Oh, not sliding off. It's tricky when I'm trying to do this in front of the camera. So slide that in there. It's doing its best to slide out of the other side. It's not the easiest thing to do. Well, after wrestling with it for quite a few minutes, getting quite frustrated, even trying to masking tape to keep it on one side, your best bet is to kind of grip it around on one side and kind of still feed it around in the slot. So let's try on the other side, see if I can get it on camera this time. It is really fiddly, and it does try your patience somewhat. So we'll try and get it down. It's going to be even harder to do this again, isn't it? So it's a matter of getting one side down in that slot and then just teasing it around on all of the edges. Even getting it on this side is a pain, isn't it? Let's turn it around. Once it's on, it's great. It feels just like the old one. There we go. So that's starting to slot into that side. You need to grip it in, make sure it doesn't slide off, which is easier said than done. Okay, so we've got it there. It's just a matter of getting it round all the way without it coming off. Come on. See, you have to get your hand right over it to make sure. No, I've spanned all my fingers right around that side. I can still feel it's lifted on one corner. Surely there's an easier way to do this. Give me some tips in the comments, please. Look at that, it's come off on that side. If I lift it there. Come on. Oh my goodness. Might as well buy some new ones. It's nearly there. Just need to get it in that slot. Once it's in, it's spot on. Obviously getting it off was easy. I seem to be on an awkward side for just finishing this off. Ooh, last little bit. Oh, it clicked in there. Oh my goodness, that was a lot more tricky than I thought it would be. Okay, so that is it complete. Thank goodness. You can kind of swivel them slightly in the groove, and otherwise that's great. They feel just like the old ones, and hopefully they'll give me another 6 years of this. I won't need to buy some new ones. Okay, well, I hope this helped. At least you can see the struggle that I had. I don't know if there's a good technique for getting these on. Let me know in the comments if I've missed something really obvious that I should have done. I tried to stick it down, but that didn't really help. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.